Hello everyone, my name is Cao Ngoc Thanh. Currently, I am a postdoctoral fellow in National Taiwan University. Before I start my presentation, I would like to thank to the Vietnamese Express Association in Taiwan for organizing this competition for us. Today I'm here to briefly introduce to everyone about my research topic relating to the osmotic microbial fuel cell, which I will call like OMFC or MFC. The title is about the application of osmotic microbial fuel cell for simultaneous electricity generation, heavy metal removal, and water reclamation. For whoever who doesn't have any concept about a microbial fuel cell, here on the left side is the basic configuration of a microbial fuel cell. On the left side we have the aerotic chamber. The one in the middle we have the membrane to separate aerotic chamber and caloric chamber. In the aerotic chamber we have the bacteria living under an aerobic environment. Here bacteria will consume or eat the organic substrate, then release the electron and proton. In the aerotic chamber, we also have the anode electrode, and the proton will follow the anode electrode, then follow the external surface. And the proton also pass through the membrane, and so where they are going, they will see each other in the caloric side or the cathode electrode. The caloric side is supposed to have a kind of solution which have higher potential, or we can call it like be a good terminal electron acceptor. Because here in the cathode we have the reduction reaction happen. And in my study, I don't use the conventional cation exchange membrane as other microbial fuel cell use. In my study, I use the forward osmotic membrane. The reason is that I want to introduce one more additional benefit of MFC is about water reclamations, because in the forward osmotic process, it will allow the water extracted from the lower concentration solution to the higher concentration solution. Here we have analyzed with the low concentration solution to the higher concentration solution in the cathode light, and in my study, the color I use is a different concentration of sodium chloride. And moreover, I also target to remove the heavy metal in the osmotic microbial fuel cell. And the target heavy metal I use is the hexavalent chromium. Because I mentioned about in the caloric chamber, we will have the reaction, so then the hexavalent chromium will receive the electron, then reduce to the chromium 3. And in order to generally evaluate the performance of the system, we have the water flux. And as I mentioned above, the water flux will be reduced according to the different concentration of the sodium chloride we use. And as we can see here, the higher the concentration of sodium chloride produce the highest water flux around 8 liters per meter square per hour. And in terms of the electrochemical behavior, I found that the power density at the pH towards the highest one. It means that the power density of about 80 milliwatts per meter cube was produced at pH 2. And accordingly, the lower internal resistance was also reduced at this point. And in order to evaluate the deposition the hexavalent chromium on the caloric surface area, we use the SEM figure to define, and we found that about 60% of chromium was deposited on the cathode surface area. And in the actual photo of the sample before and after, because we have 98% of chromium was removed, so then we have the color solution. After this research, I hope that we can further develop the osmotic microbial fuel cell for further use in the environmental technology and science, and contribute to our sustainable development in the future. Thanks for your attention. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me anytime. Thanks a lot.